Shyness is often perceived as a personal hurdle to overcome, but it can also be a unique asset when approached from a strategic angle. Rather than viewing shyness as a limitation, harness its inherent strengths to your advantage. Here are 5 lesser-known ways to use your shyness effectively and turn it into a powerful tool. 1. Cultivate deep listening skills. Shy individuals are often more attuned to listening rather than speaking. This inclination towards observation and active listening can be a tremendous asset in both personal and professional contexts. Deep listening fosters strong relationships, enhances empathy, and allows for more thoughtful and nuanced communication. In professional settings, being a good listener can make you stand out as someone who values others' input and is considerate of their perspectives. In social situations, it can help build deeper, more meaningful connections with others. Use your natural listening skills to ask insightful questions and engage in conversations that show genuine interest in others. This approach can make you more memorable and appreciated. 2. Leverage your observational strengths. Shyness often leads to heightened observation skills, as shy individuals tend to be more aware of their surroundings and the behaviors of others. This acute observational ability can be used to your advantage by providing you with insights that others might overlook. In business, being observant can help you identify trends, understand team dynamics, and anticipate potential challenges. In social settings, it allows you to pick up on subtle cues and adapt your interactions accordingly. Use your observational skills to gather valuable information and develop strategies based on your insights. This can give you an edge in problem-solving and decision-making. Excel in written communication. Shy individuals often find it easier to express themselves through writing rather than speaking. This can be a significant advantage in roles or situations that require clear and effective written communication. In professional settings, strong written communication skills are crucial for crafting compelling emails, reports, and presentations. In personal settings, written messages can be a thoughtful way to convey your feelings and ideas. Enhance your written communication by focusing on clarity and detail. Use this strength to contribute to projects, share your ideas, and build connections through well-crafted messages. Develop expertise through focused practice. Shyness often leads individuals to invest more time in solitary activities, which can be used to develop expertise in specific areas. This focused practice allows you to become highly skilled and knowledgeable in your chosen field. Expertise can set you apart in professional environments and make you a valuable asset to teams and projects. In personal pursuits, developing skills through dedicated practice can lead to personal fulfillment and confidence. Identify areas of interest or career goals and commit to honing your skills through consistent practice. This expertise can be a powerful tool in showcasing your abilities and achieving your objectives. Use your shyness to build stronger one-on-one connections. Shy individuals often excel in one-on-one interactions, where the pressure of a larger group is minimized, and meaningful conversations can flourish. This personal approach allows for deeper, more genuine connections and can be incredibly effective in building strong relationships. In both personal and professional settings, one-on-one interactions offer a space for more focused and sincere communication. This can lead to stronger bonds and more trust, as people tend to appreciate the personal attention and thoughtful engagement that shy individuals often provide. Use your one-on-one interactions to your advantage by scheduling personal meetings or catch-ups. Whether it's with a colleague, a client, or a friend, make the most of these opportunities to engage deeply and forge stronger connections. Your ability to listen and empathize can turn these interactions into valuable relationships and enhance your network. There you go. Now, tell us in the comments, which one do you think better suits you? And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more quick advice.